Welcome back to The Dish. Okay, so we've established what to eat, where to eat, but if you haven't fluffed things up for Thanksgiving yet, you still have time. So I made my way over to Signature Home with Signature Mike because you're going to help us do that.
Welcome, absolutely, yeah.
Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure, always. I like to think outside the box when I decorate a table.
Yeah.
So a lot of people will put a tablecloth and think it's done. I like to do something a little different, and I like to use these table scarves.
These are gorgeous.
And we can position these to where the people are going to sit.
Yeah.
Let's imagine there's 4 people sitting at this table. So we'll crisscross. If you have 6, you could add another, and it just makes it fun. Especially if you have a cool table too.
Places
it does.
Eat.
It makes it more intimate. And these don't have to be holiday. They can be, but these are leopard with a little glitz in there. I think that's kind of fun.
Something different.
Absolutely. Centerpieces don't have to be the same, just fresh cut floral. It could be something from your home. You could pull this off of your buffet.
I like that.
I like height. I like to add height to the table.
There you go.
Something like this, some fresh rosemary cuts, something like that.
Yeah, these are cute.
I'm all about words when designing them, as you know in your nursery.
Exactly.
I love to play words. So I have some of these great things here at the store. And you know, holidays is about traditions. It's about family that has passed, new family that you have. So let's say your mom has passed. Maybe get a picture of your mom and put it in the middle of the table so that she's there with you on your holiday as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, and again, it's about words. That's really sweet.
And honestly, this is not something that people would automatically think to use as a centerpiece. And I like that. You know, that's what I like about it. It's different. It's something that people are going to be interested in. It's almost like a talking piece, a
Absolutely,
conversation starter.
yeah. And again, this could be pulled off of your buffet. You don't have to run to the store and buy flowers and try to make an arrangement.
Exactly.
You have enough cooking to do. This is so much easier, and
Stuff
it's fun.
that you can take from home and put together.
I think this puts a smile on people's face.
Absolutely.
I think that's great. When we're talking about table settings, a variety of things here. I like to start with a big charger on a table, and this. You can go to any local Michael's or what's some of the other ones?
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby, yeah. Get a little wreaths like this, holiday. This could be Christmas. It can be, this is very autumnal, so this is for Thanksgiving. Here. We all have things like this in our home.
So cute.
This looks great.
Again, these are easy things to do that maybe people don't think to do, and it does add a lot of flavor to the table besides what you're going to eat.
It does. And yeah, I love feathers.
Look at that.
You can have
Check
fun with this stuff. And then when it's time to serve your guests, we can simply pull the plate away and then add your dinner.
There you go.
And layer plates, different color plates are always great. People try to get these matchy sets. I like to mix it up a little bit, and it makes it interesting. Yeah, absolutely.
So it really doesn't have to be, and this can be the centerpiece itself. I mean,
it
that
could
is
be.
gorgeous.
It could be. You can add artichokes and things. Now I'm adding a little too much. Maybe we don't need the ball, but we can add some of those things.
But it just shows you that you can always play with it and kind of just layer. You always talk about layering.
It's all
in your
about
other
layering,
pieces.
so things aren't so flat. Absolutely. You have extra depth and dimension.
Yeah. So this is great. I mean, and if you need any help, you can go to thedishon6.com to find Mike's information. Now, Mike does all sorts of things, not just decorating like this, but customizing furniture, pillows, you name it, he does it.
And as I'm decorating people's homes, I explain how this might work on a buffet, but hey, use it as a centerpiece down the road.
Exactly.
So I try to think along the way as well.
That way they can reuse the items that they get from here.
Absolutely, that's right.
And Christmas is around the corner, so you can come and visit his shop, Signature Home, off of Fury's Ferry, to get a gift for
We
your
have
loved
some
ones.
amazing, unique gifts here at the store.
There you go. All right, visit thedishon6.com to get his information. He'll help you out in any way he can, and stay right there. We have more on All Things Local when we come back.